Now, we're now on to Krakatau Steel. Krakatau Steel is a state-owned enterprise that operates in mining iron ore, coal, and mineral, and has opened its new factory to provide high-quality products and reduce imports. The factory aims at producing 1.5 million tons of hot-rolled coil per year.
Krakatau Steel hits another milestone as the largest steel producer in Indonesia, with a hot strip mill 2 factory on a 25-hectare land in Cilegon, Banten. Indonesian President Joko Widodo, along with several state officials, including State-Owned Enterprises Minister Erick Thohir and Maritime Affairs and Investment Coordinating Minister Luhut Binsar Panjaitan, officially launched the factory on Tuesday morning. The factory aims to produce 1.5 million tons of hot-rolled coil per year with premium specifications such as automotive structures and parts, oil and gas pipes, and heavy-duty vehicles. It is the first factory in Indonesia to produce 1.4 mm up to 16 mm thick and 600 mm up to 1.650 mm wide hot-rolled coils.
Dengan beroperasinya pabrik ini, kita akan dapat memenuhi kebutuhan baja dalam negeri. Jadi nggak ada lagi impor-impor yang kita lakukan. Ini yang kita harapkan. Sehingga sekali lagi akan menekan angka impor baja negara kita yang saat ini berada pada peringkat kedua komoditas impor Indonesia.
This is showing the world that Indonesia also can be transformation in terms of the steel industry. As we see this factory, we have 2 at this moment. As you know, with this new technology, not only in Indonesia, but also in US, it showed that we are capable to doing that. I think it's very important as a nation, we have a foundation of the steel industry. This is something that industry as a basic that is important for the growth of Indonesian economy.
Krakatau Steel CEO Silmi Karim expressed his agreement with the government that the local steel industry needs policy support to compete with global industries.
Perlu ada satu kebijakan-kebijakan yang tentunya bisa memecahkan masalah daripada impor. Karena masalah impor itu bukan hanya sekedar izin impor, tetapi mereka sudah semakin canggih dalam melakukan satu proses atau hal-hal yang kaitan dengan menguntungkan impor.
Silmi addressed with low energy consumption and optimizing labor force, the factory could save up to 25% cost production compared to other hot strip mill factory.
With the opening of its new factory, Krakatau Steel is aiming to reduce the number of import of hard-rolled coil by improving the quality of its product from Indonesia. And also with this, the company has been preparing the factory to increase the capacity of its production up to 4 million ton per year. Rebecca Napitupulu, Dian Merdekawati for C Today.
So the pandemic has postponed the factory construction for about a year, and building the new factory was met with several struggles that required foreign workers whom are not allowed to arrive and depart freely due to COVID-19 restrictions. The new hot strip mill 2 factory proves that Indonesia is ready for future challenges.
Jadi proyek ini tentunya sudah ada ketika saya join di Krakatau Steel, tetapi memang tidak secepat dengan apa yang diharapkan. Terus kemudian juga terjadi hambatan karena adanya COVID-19. Itu merupakan satu tantangan. Kenapa? Karena ini adalah pabrik berteknologi Jerman, di mana banyak sekali ekspatriat yang dilarang traveling, ataupun juga Indonesia sedang tidak menerima warga asing. Nah, hal-hal semacam ini juga menjadi satu tantangan karena pada proses training, pada proses instalasi dan lain sebagainya membutuhkan ahli-ahli dari luar negeri. Tetapi dengan banyak bantuan kita bisa selesaikan ini dengan baik, ya. Investasi yang cukup memberikan satu tantangan tetapi juga harapan. Karena dengan dibangunnya pabrik ini kita semakin mengurangi ketergantungan terhadap produk import, dan ini akan menghemat devisa dan juga menekan neraca perdagangan, memperbaiki neraca perdagangan Indonesia.
And Indonesian President Joko Widodo also appreciated the recent restructuring and transformation of PT Krakatau Steel, citing that Krakatau Steel is now getting healthier.